Hi, my name is Matthew Brainerd. I'm an enterprise systems engineer with Cisco. My fellow peers can understand and relate to the necessity that they have to help their customers manage TAC cases in order to improve customer satisfaction and minimize potential disruption to future sales. So I wanted to introduce them to something that I created called TACBot. The idea behind TACBot is to enhance collaboration between Cisco engineers, TAC engineers, customers, PSTS engagement leads, etc., and use Spark as a collaboration tool to do so. The idea is to minimize the time commitment that SEs have in managing post-sales efforts, potentially shorten case duration, and potentially improve customer satisfaction. So without further ado, let me show you how to add TACBot to a room. You can do a one-on-one chat simply by looking for TACBot or using an email address tacbot@sparkbot.io. Once you have created a room with the TACBot, you can issue a set of commands to pull case information, including bugs, who the end customer is, information about the device including the serial number, and if there are any RMAs created. As you can see the list here, and using /help will always bring up this list for you for future reference. Now, before you worry about who can view this information about your customers' cases, well, it's right now the TACBot is smart enough to know that the request is coming from a cisco.com user address and will only present case information to those cisco.com email addresses. So we're not leaking customer information. That being said, let's try it out. Let's search for some title for a case number that I've pre-populated here, and you can see that it's going to respond with the title of that case number. So we can pull information about the case this way. We can pull links so we can access the case information directly as well. For those that forget where the bookmarks are for pulling case information, this is super useful. You can do this in a one-on-one room, or alternatively you can actually create, if you wanted to manage multiple TAC cases for your customer, you can create different rooms for each of these cases. And if you were to do that, you'd simply put the case number in the title of the room name, and from there you no longer need to specify what case number you're looking for information for. However, you do have to mention TACBot with the @ symbol, so we'll mention TACBot and we'll ask for, let's say, status of this case. So it'll respond with the status, whether it's closed, and then if the case was open, it would also respond with the severity of that case. So hopefully you find this useful in managing your TAC cases for your customer on a day-to-day basis. I would encourage you, if you have some feedback for myself or those that are helping me with development on TACBot, to simply use the feedback functionality, which you can use, again, mention @TAC and give it the command feedback and send whatever feedback you want. That message will go to myself and my development team, where we can then take that information and put it into the things that we're working on with this bot. That would go for bugs as well, if you find any bugs that need to be addressed. So if you think this is useful, I'd love to hear about it. Message me. If you have questions or concerns, you can message me, or you can use the feedback functionality. Thank you for your time.